Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious fudgy gluten-free brownies. They're also flour-free and nut-free. They're just a really easy brownie, and I've got one of my friends in Med who's gluten-free, and I really want to bring these to her next week because it just sucks being gluten-free. She's actually full celiac. Hi, Hannah. But yeah, so I'm making these now. I'm so excited, and I hope you like them too. Make them, they're delicious. And also for Sammy. Sammy inspired these brownies. I've made these for her before, so she's tried them. These are coming your way, just you watch. These are the ingredients you'll need. 225 grams of dark cooking chocolate. I've made sure it is gluten-free as well. 112 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder that's been sifted. 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. 1/2 cup of caster sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda. 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. This really helps bring out the chocolate flavor. Don't skip it. And then about a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla essence. Let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is take our chocolate and butter and put it in a medium-sized mixing bowl, and we're gonna put it in the microwave and put it on 30-second bursts, about 2 minutes in total, until it's all nice and melted together. Bye. Now, these brownies don't need any gluten-free flour, and one of the reasons for that is sometimes I find it can make baked goods taste a little bit gritty or a bit, in a weird way, squeaky when you bite into it. I know that's a weird way to describe it. So we're making this just with cocoa powder to make it beautifully and decadent and just all of the deliciousness. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our eggs and caster sugar. Then we're going to slowly add this to our melted chocolate. Now remember to temper your eggs when you add them to the chocolate. This involves you taking a couple of tablespoons of the hot chocolate mixture out into the eggs and whisking them. This just helps them to not cook in the hot chocolate mixture. We don't want scrambled eggs in there. Then we're going to put the salt and bicarb soda in with the cocoa powder, whisk it together, and slowly add to our brownie mixture. Then finally, vanilla bean paste to finish. Make sure to whisk it really well. You don't want too many lumps. In your 18 centimeter or 20 centimeter square baking pan, take 2 sheets of baking paper and cross them over each other. This will make it easier to take your brownies out when they're done. We're going to bake these at 170 degrees Celsius fan force. This is about 340 degrees Fahrenheit for between 25 to 30 minutes. Bye. 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 So this is what our brownie looks like once it's completely cooled in the pan. As you can see, it's deflated a little bit, so we're ready to cut this. I'm just going to take it out. Alright guys, that's how you make my gluten-free brownies. They are amazing. You can just see how moist and delicious they are. So I just want to get into it now, so let's eat. That's the only time I'll use that word in terms of like describing cake or something like that. Alright.
They look so beautiful.
Right. You ready?
Oh, they fudgy.
They fudgy as.
Fudgy.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Dude, don't even miss the gluten.
This woman right here. Magician. Oh my god.
You're so good. I could be gluten-free, maybe. Make these. Honestly, don't have to say anymore. Make them. Oh, you won't be sorry. You'll come crawling to me going, Elise, this is the best decision I've ever made to make these. And I'm like, yes. Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers, my love.
Oh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.